Today we went out in search of tulip fields. The best place to start would be in Lies, 27 kilometers from home, a town in the Netherlands near Haarlem, where the famous Keukenhof lies. I'm also lucky as Lies is just outside the red area for no-fly zone. The Netherlands is not only known for its windmills and wooden shoes, but also for its stunning tulip fields. It is a small country, but believe it or not, it caters to more than 50% of the flowers all over the world, so much more than its neighboring country, the Great Britain. So if you can see, guys, they already harvested most of it. Good morning, guys! Good morning, Papa! Today we are in search of tulip fields in the area where we can take some good shots. So hopefully we will get lucky, and the tulip fields are now in full bloom. It's still the first week of April, running second, so I'm not really sure about that. So we will see. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So I'm here in Lies, just beside the Keukenhof. JP is parked just a little bit to pick me up. I was stopped by the police to stop taking drone footage. He said it's not allowed, so I stopped. And then I also asked the owner of these beautiful fields there. I asked the owner if I can take some videos, some drone footage, and he said no as well, because he said if he's gonna say yes, everybody will do it. Anyway, that was my day here, guys. I couldn't really go low, and I don't want to just do it without asking permission of the owner, because sometimes they might see it online and then they will ask you to take it down. So it's better to be safe.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm too good, Papa. I have to ask permission. I could have done it without permission, but
Yeah, but you stopped then. We had a problem.
what are those people doing here, Papa? Ah, okay.
Ik mag je even duidelijk staan, dus precies dat jij bezig bent. Maar eigenlijk mag ik je helemaal niet parkeren.
Hey guys, we are back in the car. I took a few, at least a little. What is this on my phone? Look, what happened? Oh my goodness, there's a line. Anyway, the wind, guys, is such a showstopper for me, because since I'm not really very, how would I say, I'm not really a very experienced pilot, so every time there's a warning of wind, I get scared and I bring down the drone, or it's just too much wind for me. Anyway, bye-bye, Papa!
Yes, bye-bye. So Elsie becomes a brokkenpiloot.
We are going home, guys. Bye!